And organizer of the Bring Back the Love football event, Clive Campbell, says he will continue to use the sport of football to deter violence as he launched the annual Bring Back the Love After Labour football event, which is slated for May 25. Here's Christopher Scott.
It is an annual football game that promotes peace and gives back to the community and schools. Organizer of the event, Clive Campbell, explains why Bring Back the Love After Labour is so important.
They send a powerful message that love, respect and community support must replace anger, abuse and neglect.
He also stated that there will not be any admission to enter the match. However,
we're not charging at the gate. All we ask is for donation. So if someone comes and he has a $500, we'll give him a ticket. Because he can win a prize that value $5,000. But nobody should be coming in without wanting to make a donation. Doesn't matter how small, but we thought of it that way.
CEO of the Professional Football Jamaica Limited PFJL, Owen Hill, shares the same sentiment as Campbell.
It has always meant a lot because of the origins and the meanings behind the initiative. It literally is using football as a vehicle, sports as a vehicle to promote peace and to ensure that we continue using the source of our joy to bring joy to the world.
There will be 4 honorees this year, which includes former national player Earl Pinto, who expresses gratitude in being recognized this year and has also given Campbell credit for this initiative.
It's good that Mr. Campbell over the years has been playing his part in bringing back the love, because unity is strength, and in this time, World Cup coming up and thing, it's good that we continue to bring back the love. Different communities, former players and present players, to be united with all these celebrities.
Former players Byron Earl, Jermaine Teddy Johnson, as well as former FIFA referee Valdin Legister will be the other honorees. Referees, Christian ambassadors, entertainers and masters and celebrities will be the teams participating. The match kicks off at 4 p.m. at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.